How to add Omega-3 on your Trust Wallet app. Are you guys facing issues to add Omega-3 on your Trust Wallet app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. Once you open up your app, now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this icon. Tap on it. Now click on search bar and search for Omega-3. To add Omega-3 on your Trust Wallet app, just simply toggle this option. Once you toggle it, now go back to your Trust Wallet homepage and scroll down. Now click on Omega-3. After you click on it, now tap on Receive. Once you click on Receive, you will be provided with this unique QR code and wallet address. With the help of this wallet address, you will be able to receive Omega-3 through different crypto wallets. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add Omega-3 on Trust Wallet app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.